How to set up the iT500 for one-zone heating or one-zone heating plus hot water control. For two-zone heating, you will need an iT300, which can be bought separately. For one-zone heating, on the receiver, ensure that the top switch is set to auto and the bottom switch is set to CH. For two-zone heating or one-zone heating and water, on the receiver, ensure that the top switch is set to auto and the bottom switch is set to the CH/auxiliary. On the thermostat, press and hold the settings and up arrow icons at the same time. The screen will now display two house icons and a tap icon, all flashing. Press the tick icon to enter the settings menu. Press the arrow icons to select a zone. There are three options: one-zone heating, two-zone heating, or one-zone heating plus hot water. Press the arrow icons to select your choice. Press tick to confirm. Repeatedly press the tick icon until you reach the home screen.